Hey everyone, I'm Amanda with Sweet Pieces. Welcome to our YouTube channel. We're here to share all the latest tips and tricks so your DIY projects are easy, successful, and innovative. We've made the mistakes and we know the questions before you ask, so come along as we share our knowledge in an easy to follow format. Wondering what we do here at Sweet Pieces? We're a specialty DIY supply shop and home furnishings boutique. All the products we feature in our videos are available in our brick and mortar locations in Huntington and Massapequa on Long Island, or available on our website, sweetpieces.com. Our stores are a DIY lover's dream, with everything from paint to metallics, hardware, stencils, wallpaper, and so much more. We have sample boards and loads of pieces finished with our products. We're happy to share not only inspiration, but lots of education. Take one of our classes to get the full Sweet Pieces experience. Not close enough for a visit? Follow us online for daily inspiration. And be sure to subscribe. We can't wait to teach you.